Yeah, over there.
Go get her. Go get Ashley. Go get her. No.
Come here.
Chris, good song.
Oh, look at there. Look at there. Look at you laying down in the water. Is Ashley trying to get her to come out to the water deeper? She's finally playing in the water, Dada. Say hey, Dada. Blow kisses? Blow kisses? No? She's like, oh, I gotta watch where I'm going. I'm in the water, Mom. There's David. We're out at Short Stay for Memorial Day. Alright, I gotta go chase him now.